Hey everyone, I need to mention a couple things really quick before we get into this video. Number one, we're going to be doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, and we're going to give away one of these snapbacks. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video, because we're going to do it the first video after we hit 200 subscribers, and you're not going to want to miss your opportunity. The other thing that I need to mention is our friend Brett, aka Skid Billy, did get in a motorcycle accident last week. He's okay, but he did break his leg. He hit a deer and managed to hold his bike up. But I'm going to leave a link to his merch website down below, so if you guys can go and pick something up, that would greatly be appreciated by us and by him as well. It's going to help cover his medical bills, because with a broken leg, he does have a pretty hefty one. So let's get into the video.
What's going on, guys? It's unfortunately that time of the year where we're starting to put everything away, all the toys, all the fun stuff, before the snow flies. So today I'm getting my garage cleaned out. Gonna take the Tacoma down and get it cleaned, because this thing is filthy. So my road is disgusting. Hate to see it so dirty, but I'm gonna get it cleaned, and then I'm gonna take it over to my barn and get this packed away, and then do a few things in the garage. And then tomorrow Alex is gonna come over, and he's got some new doors for the BMW. So we're gonna try and put those on, and then just get a few things around, like I said, before winter. Got to put some brakes on the Subaru because they are trash, and I also need to get the fenders rolled because it's starting to scrape around here like horribly. So we're gonna do some of that stuff. I'm not sure if we'll film it, but maybe. We're gonna get this cleaned up and then show you guys the barn. And we've done a lot of work getting that thing cleaned out too, so I've got to put my bike away. Okay, so she's clean, finally. That was bugging me. So let's get this thing over to the barn, get it put away. And I'm sure you're thinking, who puts 3-piece wheels on their truck when they live down a dirt road? Hi, it's me. I'm that guy. But that's fine. I clean it at least a couple times a week. It's usually not that bad, but it's been rainy and crappy out, so let's get over to the barn. Okay, so I got the truck here in its final resting place for the winter. Still gotta go grab my bike and do that. So I'm gonna finish up here, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow when Alex gets over, and we'll start working on the BMW. Boom, next day. Alex. Doors. Box. Box. That has nothing to do with BMW stuff.
Not BMW stuff. Really, it's not. What do we got? What do we got in here? Subaru stuff?
Oh, Subaru stuff. I had to do the old-fashioned way and bid on these because they didn't have a buy it now option.
I have tried to bid on like 3 things ever on eBay, and I've lost every one of them. So if there's not a buy it now option, just don't even do it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the second time only that I've ever had to bid somebody. I was at work every hour outbidding this guy, but I finally won him. Not bad. Now my car can stop looking like a goon with one these on. I got 3.
Look goony with 3 of them. What the?
I'm only gonna put another one on. I just have an extra one.
No, put them all on.
I mean, I could, I guess.
So with these doors, I completely failed at what I was gonna do, and I was gonna film part of my trip over because I had to drive all the way across the state to get these doors. I went to EHE Recycling, which we'll leave a link to their Facebook page down below. They have like over 100 BMWs, both for parts and just cars for sale that actually run and drive that are just used vehicles. But yeah, it gave me a really good deal on these 2 doors because I didn't care if they matched or what color they were because I plan on painting or wrapping the car eventually anyways. So it'll just be 3 different colors for the time being. But passenger door, this mirror was loose, so it's got this like silicone glue on it. So I'm gonna have to use my passenger mirror. And then this passenger door also is missing the trim piece. So we're gonna pull the trim off of my passenger door and slap it on here. And then this is pretty much good to go. It's even got a door card, which really, oddly enough, is the same color as my god-awful gray and wood grain interior that all of the BMW purists love. But driver door will finally have a working handle, nice unbroken trim, and a functioning mirror. So pretty excited to not have to hold the unlock button on my key to roll the window down and reach through and open it like this. Another downside about the new driver door, doesn't have a window in it, so we have to take the window out of my driver door and put it in that one. So we may only do the driver door today, but I have the passenger door to be able to do whenever. Only reason we might only get one done today is just because it's pretty chilly, getting to be that time of year. Enough of me babbling, let's get to work. Look at this awesome effective cup holder right here. That's directly under the damn armrest. Stupid.
You don't need drink holders.
You don't need to quench your thirst. Dude, this jacket's so small it like it restricts my elbow movement.
My arms are so jacked I can't.
Oh, we have movement.
The door's just gonna fall off.
Yeah, I was hoping you would hold it.
You want me to hold it?
I have to do stuff?
Hey, I got your friggin' electrical out.
And I appreciate that about you.
I say you just drive it with no doors and be
Weight
like,
reduction.
Be like a Jeep owner.
When Jeep owners buy BMWs. You want to use a tripod for that thing or what?
No, man, this is cool. We'll just do it like this.
Jam it in your LS somewhere.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Boom. Just like that.
Can't tell if that's
Mint. It's almost mint.
there.
Mint.
There you go.
poop soup door.
We don't need no stinking doors. Ejectocito.
So I took the door off because weight reduction.
We don't need doors.
Oh yeah! Like a real car. Like a real car. It does stuff.
Okay, so after some trial and error, we got the door on. Still needs some tweaking. The window.
Sometimes it goes underneath the trim and sometimes it doesn't. So we gotta figure that out. Kind of a big gap back here. So
Gapple
we need
beads.
to squeeze it just a smidge, but
But it doesn't have any rust on it.
yeah.
So it looks a lot better. Real quick before we get going here, at 200 subscribers on the YouTube channel, we're going to be doing a giveaway on this hat that we haven't quite released yet. So if you guys could subscribe, like, comment as usual.
Hit the notification bell because you're gonna want to watch the videos to find out how to win this hat.
Yes. So we're gonna get this back to Alex's house, and as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.